That's what she told me.
Really? No kidding. If you ask me, I don't believe it.
Did you get a chance to listen to the weather report?
Yes, they said it was going to rain.
Is that true?
Big storm.
I hope not.
Never can tell.
Your hat.
Like it?
Love it.
I bought it on sale. Oh, don't move.
Oh,
Who will let this be in?
oh my goodness.
Who left the window open? Martha, careful of the bee.
Uh-oh. There's my brother, Leonard. He's only 6. Oh, boy. What's he up to now? My father says he's a dreamer. But I think he's just weird. And he's always following me around. Mom!
Just wait. The light should go on in a minute.
Wow! Leonard, the lights are back on. Listen. Oh, did you hear that? Hear what? You scaredy cat. Say, Mom, can I go out?
Seymour, you're not going out in this weather.
Please.
You're not going out now.
And all afternoon, I'll have to stay inside with guess who? Hey, can I play? No, you can't trade. You don't collect anything. Do too. Like what? I collect sounds. Dummy, you can't collect sounds. Where do you keep them? In my mind.
Max, it's raining in.
Yes, dear, right away. I'll close the window.
Oh, go see if lunch is ready.
Max, the window.
Oh, I forgot.
Hey. Listen to that. Leonard, cut it out. That sound. That's a robber in squeaky shoes. And he's coming around the corner. Right now. Look, that's our dad. What are you trying to do? Scare yourself? I know it's really Dad. Come on, let's play the game with sounds. No. We'll make up a story from the sounds around us. Buzz off. Want to start with this shell? No. Take a hike. Come on, no. It's mine. Give me my shell. You can hear the ocean inside. Cannot. Come on, listen. What else could that be? A story about a submarine? Or a shipwreck? Give that to me. Come on, let me hear that some more. That could be the ocean. And nearby, there's a guy fishing. A guy fishing?
table.
Mom, tell him to let go.
Oh, my goodness.
Leonard, I got it.
That dog? Oh, what a racket.
Sounds like that guy just fished up some old pots and pans. I think the guy fishes up a suit of armor. We can make this into a real story.
No.
Come on,
Leave me alone.
come here. As soon as the guy puts on the armor, a castle pops out of the ground.
Where's the sound?
There.
Silly. And there's the monster guarding the castle door.
What is it?
Where's my toothbrush?
Right in front of you.
What is it? A dragon?
Why don't you leave me alone?
Flying monster?
Oh, Leonard.
Yeah, but the guy gets in anyway.
Yeah, sure. Hey, Leonard. So what's that?
It's Dracula screaming. He has a toothache.
Max, the water's boiling. My hands are full.
Right away. Excuse me, Martha.
Max, careful, don't spill it.
Okay, Martha.
But the guy inside the armor is a dentist.
How do you know? What made you think of that?
Listen. The dentist is in real trouble.
And then the telephone rings.
In a castle?
Why not?
Okay. I've got an idea.
Hello? One moment, please. Max, the telephone.
Dracula says it's for you.
Hello? Oh, hi.
It's the guy's wife calling. She's coming over to rescue him
The basement was flooded.
in a helicopter.
Okay.
But then what?
The end.
Leonard, that's not a good ending.
Look, it stopped raining. Wow,
Leo, play with your brother.
I'm busy.
Leonard can't keep his mind on anything.
Where did I put that spoon? Ugh.
Leonard, come here.
The sun is out.
Shh.
What is it?
I found the ending to the story.
Well, I don't know.
Wait, listen. It's a lion. Instead of the helicopter ending, the dentist turns into a lion and scares Dracula away forever.
Okay.
Lions. Dentist.
Uh-oh. Look out. You just woke Dad.
What are you boys doing?
Come on, everyone. Lunch is ready.
Be there in a minute. Leonard, come along. Stop daydreaming.
I bet once we get outside, Leonard will change his mind and want to play the game with sounds. I know what that could be. There's this evil king who eats snails for breakfast. But then what?
I know, it sounds like Dad.
Sounds like Dad. Be serious. Think of something. Wasn't this his idea? You know Leonard. He's probably on to something else.
Wow. Look at the clouds. I see a cat. Now it's an elephant. It's gonna change. A fish? No, it's a mermaid. A face? A dragon? What's that?